What you doing, M&M's?
Got crazy stuff under the couch. Why are you so afraid?
Get it. Oh, M&M. Where'd it go?
Is she rubbing on anything?
Yeah, the nostrils are somewhere. They're a big, giant, toe lard.
I don't think so.
It is.
Yeah, it's not in here. What? You want to take my picture?
I'm taking video.
Get him out. Sorry, Justin. Aw, you look pretty in the tissue paper. You do.
Tough guy. Tough guy. Make two with your mouse.
What are you doing?
Get the blue one.
It's behind you.
Oh.
Come on, Em. Come on. Ew, it's all soggy.
Yeah, they're salivating rather
Here.
heavily.
Who ate the tail off one already?
Yeah.
Bitch. I mean, you got slop on your back.
I think Pappy's here.
Yep.
Oh, he's coming in on the madness. They'll run. Here. Yeah, you're stepping on them all. Okay, don't eat that. Don't eat that, honey.